Volcano.
This is when it starts to suck. We have two options, either wait 2 days for a fast train that goes to Paris and then hopefully get into the UK, or take slow crawling every stop caterpillars of local trains up through the rest of Italy and then all the way through France and then hopefully across the channel. We are taking the caterpillars. Good news is that there are trains to Nice every half hour from 4 o'clock in the morning. Bad news is that to go to France you have to get the tickets from the ticket office, and the ticket office opens at 6 o'clock in the morning. So it looks like we'll be spending whatever's left of the night here. Good morning. What an interestingly designed sink. Something is wrong here. We are fugitives. We are fare dodgers. We took the 4 o'clock train, but nobody asked us for any money, so we didn't get to be all dramatic and have chases and jump into barriers and stuff, which is kind of a shame. Standing in line at the train station here, eating gummy worms. We have 3 trains and then we get to Paris this evening. The long nightmare is nearly over and I really need a shower. Does anyone get any idea what on earth that thing is?
Hello, I'm Sophie. I live in Paris.
Where am I? Huh? Oh yeah. Haha, yes. So we're in Paris and we have a few hours to look around before our train leaves. And then it's train, ferry and a few more trains and we get home. Happy days. It just occurred to me that if I was in England, I'd be in French class right now. And I'm in France, which is infinitely much better. As you can see, the ferry building is slightly chaotic. But I can tell that I'm back among the English because they've already made a queue and it's half an hour till the ferry shows up. The captain of the ferry just gave a kind of depressing announcement saying that we were going to be late in to the port, which means that we are going to miss the last train and spend the night in a station again, which I am really not looking forward to one single bit at all, no way, no. Well, here we are again, except this time we're stuck at Guildford. Oh, and good morning. Again. I'm afraid I got no live footage after that, mostly due to the rest of it being a walk from the train station home. Everyone shambling around like zombies. But zombies don't normally pull suitcases. We were completely exhausted, fell into bed, but my dad managed to get this incredibly cute shot of my sister, which I think finishes off this video perfectly. Thank you for watching this Jelly Baby Tour special.
Thank you for watching me suffer. Goodbye.